Hey guys, we're gonna make an afternoon snack. Let's see if I can get my lighting a little better down here. Whoops. Oh, goodness, I'm gonna make my whole camera stand fall. Okay, let's see here. And it's still wanting to fall. Hang on, guys. Sorry. Come live because I thought this was going to just work. And now my camera stand wants to fall over. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I'm just making me an afternoon snack. I've got me 1 egg in my bowl. To that, I'm going to add about a third, 3/4 of a cup of milk. And if you have a medium egg, you probably wouldn't want to add that much, or either you'd want to put you another egg in there, okay? And I'm adding a little bit of vanilla. And I'm just making me French toast, guys. And I know most people put cinnamon. I'm not a cinnamon fan, so I don't put cinnamon in mine. And I'm going to put just a pinch of salt because I am using egg. And I want my egg to have a little bit of seasoning. Okay. Just mix that up real good. I've got my pan warming up. And I'm going to go ahead and lay my bread in here. And then while that's kind of soaking up some stuff, I'm going to go ahead and, oh, that's a little too high. Turn him way down. Matter of fact, now that I've got me some butter melted in it, I'm going to just slip it off the eye for a minute until I get my bread where I want it. And guys, this is a good way to use bread that's getting just a little bit stale, is to make some French toast out of it. And it is so good. There's so many ways you can make it. I thought of another way. This afternoon I don't have what I'd want, but I'm going to get it so I can make it. Like I said, I put just a little bit of vanilla in mine. I like mine a little sweet, but you can put cinnamon, of course. Now I've got it good and soaked up, so I'm going to lay it in my pan. Mine soaked up really quick. Maybe I won't tear it. There. Turn it back up to 7. Put this out of the way. Get my plate up here ready. Wipe that out. But this is just a good, it's a good breakfast, but it's a good, you found one? Yeah. The corded one.
No, this was in the closet.
Oh, in that closet. Blue's putting up my internet for me, guys. Isn't that awesome? What, baby?
Do I need to wait to do it?
You can go ahead. It'll be all right. If y'all hear some drilling in the background, it's Blue. My tongs have seen better days, but I still like them. So you just let it brown and kind of cook through. You're really just cooking that egg and all mixture. It's got to drill through the floor. Putting my internet. I'm so excited to have internet. Just kind of keep moving it around, because the eyes on your stove, I don't know about y'all, but mine heat different. And I used real butter. I'm trying to Land O'Lakes real butter. I am trying my best to get away from margarine now. I still have my margarine in there that I've got to use because I have it. But, you know, margarine is just really plastics and water. So, I'm trying to get away from that. And I let it get good and brown. And you can do it faster, but I let mine soak up quite a bit of milk, so I want to, you know, give it time to get good and brown and crusty. Blue. Driftwood's over there.
Uh-oh.
What is it?
I lost the drill bit.
Blue lost the drill bit in the floor. You know you have to get you a wire hanger to stick through there. Yeah. Okay. It's starting to brown. But I love the smell of French toast cooking when you put vanilla in it. It just smells so good. Like I said, I'm not a fan of cinnamon, guys. So if y'all just jumped on and you're hollering, you need cinnamon, you need... Only if you like it. I don't like cinnamon, so I don't put cinnamon on mine. Now, Sonny and them, they like cinnamon, so they put cinnamon on theirs. Not me. Not me. Oh, I just realized something to help hold my... Hang on, I got to get me something on here to help hold my camera up. Keep it from falling forward. Got a trick. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. It may not be as brown as I want it on the other side, but I'm going to go ahead. Baby, you don't have it tight enough in there if you keep losing drill bits.
I think it's because it's touching the floor when I'm doing it and it's loosening.
I might have got mine a little soggy, guys, or a little bit too much milk, but it's okay. It soaked it up quicker than I thought it was going to. But that's okay. Guys, just like with everything else, it's just a thing. Just a thing. But isn't it looking pretty? I don't mind soggy because I layer mine down with syrup anyway. This is the kind I'm using today. Pearl Milling Company, Butter Rich. I wonder if is that the name of Aunt Jemima's? That used to be Aunt Jemima. It's not Aunt Jemima anymore. Might be. I don't keep up on the times. What do y'all tell me what y'all eat for like an afternoon snack? Only use eggs? I always add milk to mine. That's probably because I don't like eggs.
Mommy, you got some tape or something?
Tape? Yeah, on my craft desk in there, some painter's tape. Yeah, I'm not an egg fan either. So, oh, it smells so good. Goodness, it smells good. Mixture of that butter and the vanilla. Oh, smelling good. Good, girls. And I like mine really brown. Real brown. So let's try to get it a little more brown. See where that egg is cooked. That's so cool. I wish I ate eggs. Man, I've always wished I ate eggs. Because, you know, they're so... I ain't going to say they're necessarily that healthy for you. Because, you know, you hear conflicting reports. Some say they're healthy for you, some not. But I know that they're low carb. And when you go on a low carb diet, eggs are just an easy fix. You know, fix you some scrambled eggs and you got breakfast. But when you don't eat them, it makes it a little more difficult. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit so I can get some brown on them. Because I like mine a little more brown. A little more, oh, God, it smells so good. It smells so good. And I like, guys, when I cook stuff different than y'all cook it, because then y'all can tell me how you cook it, and that's conversation on our page. And that's what, you know, Facebook likes to see, that conversation. That's how I like mine, like that, brown. Good and brown. It kind of reminds me of almost eating custard when I cook it like mine, with the egg and milk, because it makes it more of a custardy, fluffy type consistency. I like it. Like it. Okay, that looks good. So let's turn our eye off. That looks good to me. Get that off the eye. Even though once on an what do you call this? Induction stove. Ooh, I got my eye dirty though. When you turn it off, your heat immediately goes away. Now you could put powdered sugar, but I've already put my vanilla, so I really don't need powdered sugar in there. So I'm just going to douse it down with syrup because that's how I like it. That's how I like it. Let's see. Get it up here. My phone thing's not very tight. I'm using a new phone stand, so I'm having to learn it, and it's not very tight. Making it my way. Like I said, it has that kind of soft.
I missed it.
You missed it?
I stuck it down all the way up the thing to see if it's fitting. I can't get it back out. So I might have to poke this hanging down there in there. Find out where it is in the plastic.
Anyhow, it has like a custard kind of inside, because I let it sit in there a little long now, and it soaked up a lot of the stuff. But if you just go ahead and put it in there and then put it in your pan, you'll have more of a bread texture. So whichever way you like it. I like a little custardy kind of French toast. I'm not a big fan of French toast because, you know, it's egg. And I'm not a big fan of egg, but I like it like this. So anyhow, that's it for this afternoon, guys. I love you. No, ma'am. The only thing I use literally is the milk, the egg. Make sure it's, you know, makes my milk yellow so it's mostly egg. And then a little bit of vanilla and a pinch of salt. That's all I use, because I don't like cinnamon. I don't like nutmeg. I don't like any of that kind of stuff that you put in, like pumpkin pies and stuff like that. It's just not me. So I make mine kind of like this. So I love it, guys. All right, I love you. Yeah, me too. And that vanilla when it's cooking, and plus when you eat it, even though you've got the syrup, that vanilla still adds a flavor to it. It's so good. I love it, guys. I'm going to go eat my toast, so I'll see y'all later. All right, bye, guys.